this is a bigger variety of azolla which the hens like. This one, and then this is the smaller variety, which is good for the chicks. They all eat this. This is too big for the chicks. The hens are able to swallow it up. This is ideal size for the chicks. The couple. These are all 7 months old now. They started laying a few eggs also. This is our new coop, extended coop, almost quarter acre, sufficient space for them to run around. There is our, this fellow sings the blues. He's called Punjab Boiler, also Bob, and he sings beautifully.